Our body is very complex and is made up of several types of structures and organs that, when combined, provide a natural ecosystem within which the body functions. The blood that is circulating within our body system is of a very specific value in pH. Therefore, you must always make sure that whatever you're trying to do, the blood pH levels must not change. The reason for that is when the blood pH levels decrease, the body functions primarily, the enzymes will stop functioning in a proper manner, causing complications for the person, which may even lead to death. On the other hand, if a person's system or blood becomes high in pH value, that is, they become alkaline in nature, that will cause problems with the body's metabolism, and this condition is known as alkalosis. Therefore, drinking the right type of water is important. To note, the pH of that water is even more important. Because, for example, if you are drinking water that is high in acidic values, then that is something that will cause damage to your alimentary canal. The primary reason for that is that acidus is the type of substance that will easily corrode or dissolve the cells of your internal lining. This can cause internal hemorrhages, which can lead to severe complications. If you're constantly drinking acidic water, the stomach walls, which are protected by a mucus layer, will tear off, causing ulcers in the stomach. That is why it's important to drink the right water and stay away from acidic water. Soda and other types of bottled water are more acidic than you think. Just because you spend $5 on bottled water does not make the water good quality. As a matter of fact, a lot of bottled water is worse than the tap water at home. Do your homework before you spend your hard-earned money on bottled water. On the other hand, if you take alkaline water, then something like this is least likely to happen. However, this also has its own complications if not taken in moderation or in a controlled manner. For example, if a person takes alkaline water more than the required dosage, then the main thing that will happen is that person will develop alkalosis, and, as a result of alkalosis, the hydroxide ions within his body will increase, causing metabolic hindrances which are not ideal for almost everyone.